Hello everybody, this is just going to be a short video and we're going to do a function with multiple arguments. So let's have a look. I'm going to define my multiple arguments. I'm going to assign the arguments in here a value. Let's have a look. So name is equal to Mark. Okay. And age is equal to 25. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to print this out. Let's have a look. So print. Okay. Your name is. I'm going to format this string here, so I'll just put the F behind there. Your name is, and I'm going to put name here in curly brackets, and you are in curly brackets. I'm going to put age. You are. Okay, there we go. And I'm just going to run this now. So to call the function, I'll have to put my multiple arguments. Okay, right, so I'm just going to save that on the desktop. So click Save As. Save it on the desktop here, and I'm going to call it args.py just for short. Okay, right, now we're going to run that. So we go up to the Run menu here, click on Run, click Run Module, and there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny's your auntie. Your name is Mark and you are 25. So there you go. Using multiple arguments here, and I've assigned values to these arguments here. Okay, so thank you very much for that, and if you like the video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.